Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph. Years ago, we built this partition wall in Mom's garage, and one side we left the wood studs exposed. We installed a few shelves between these and used a couple of wall control panels to organize outdoor tools. But today we want to switch that up and try to use an organizational system we picked up at Costco that seems perfect to install on our stud wall. The rails need to be placed in a specific orientation, so test the hooks to make sure your placement's right before attaching to the wall. We're using an impact driver to attach the 4 screws that were included in the kit. You can see the rail is a little bit wider than the distance between the studs. Once we had a rail installed, we tried different hooks to see what fit best. The hooks feel very secure when attached to the rail, but can easily be moved if necessary. We took this opportunity to rearrange some items on our 2x4 shelves. And here is a look at it all finished. It looks a little busy, but everything has a place and makes this wall way more usable and great for storage. You might notice some outdoor power tools on this wall. If you want to see how we installed these, there's a link to that video right here. And if you want to see how we built this wall, there's a link to that video right here. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more projects from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com.